If you want to create a color tool, you will need this component. It is a color square available in the ttkwidgets library from the color module. To install it, all you have to do is to run the command pip install ttkwidgets. After importing the color square from the color module, you can create it simply by calling color square. You can specify the width, the height. Now you specify the hue that will be displayed on the color square, and you can also specify the color. In the alpha bar, you specified the color in RGB mode. Here we are going to specify it in HSV mode. The first value, the hue, will not be taken into consideration. Only the saturation and value will be. When you run the code, you will have your color square displayed as this. So this is the highlight thickness and color I've added. Now this is the horizontal and vertical bars or cross. You can use them to select the saturation and to select the value, but the hue, it's already specified when you created the color square. Now we are going to see the functions related to the color square widget. So we have the get hue. It will only get the hue value. So when I will run it, get hue value, you can see here the hue is equal to 60. Even if I change the cross, it will always be 60 because we didn't change the hue. There is another function which is get. It will return the color value in 3 formats: RGB, HSV, and hex value. When I will run the code and click on get color, you can see here the values: RGB, HSV, and hex value. There is another function which is set hue that will allow you to set the hue value you want. For example, here I'm setting the hue to 200 and I click on set hue value. It gives me this value near to blue, or 120, it gets me this green value. I can call get hue value, it changed, and get color value, it changed also. If I do this, you can see here we have the same hue but different saturation. And the last function we are going to see is the set and RGB. In fact, there is the set RGB method and the set HSV method. You either set the color using RGB values or set the color using HSV values. Here we are going to set the color to blue. This is why I gave 255 RGB value to the set RGB function. So set color to blue, it gave this color value. You can see here when I get color value, it gave me this 3 values, and get hue value equal to 240. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.